Getting ready for our
Guys, this is my vlog. Just listen to her intro.
就是这样，就是看着左边，然后就说你呢，因为我要见下一个说对。
You have like a fingerprint on your lip.
There's a fingerprint.
It's okay. You can't see it on the camera.
Oh, you watched? Yeah, like
You flashed. Your audience will be like, oh my gosh.
busy.
That'd be terrific.
Now I feel like I should get the back one. It's like a song now.
Yeah. Day 2 and we are in Meiji Shrine.
Yes, I can finally wear my...
Yeah, you should move. It's a video. Yeah.
Hey guys, so this is the fortune teller card. So if you pay 100 yen and shake this box, and you can have the
This way, here is
yeah. And if you see the number and tell her the number, you can get the matched paper. And instead of paper, you can see fortune in the sphere. Yeah.
So you got yours. Is it good or bad?
This says you should catch up with society.
Are you not?
Maybe
you should try to do Twitter.
Yeah.
So this is one thing that I really want to try in Japan. I got my omikuji. It's washed out so you can't see, but yeah, I got my omikuji and I'm gonna read it. Let's read it together.
Lost balance. That's alright, keep walking.
Warm. Do it again. Okay, good night. Food models.